All right, mic check. Can you hear me now when I'm singing to you? All right, I know it's been 2 rough weeks wondering, where did Johan go? Why isn't there a new cocktail video up? But as you can see, I had to revamp my kitchen, renovate my kitchen. Or did I move? I don't know. Either way, since I haven't made you a tequila cocktail in a while, I thought I was gonna make you one, and I just received some Orgeat in the mail. So I thought to myself, why don't I show you how to make the Infante? Infante? Orgeat what? Well, let's just say this. It's a super tasty little tequila cocktail that you need to try. The Infante was created by Giuseppe Gonzalez in 2009 while he was working at Dutch Kills Bar in Queens, New York. The cocktail itself is named after a famous Mexican actor/singer called Pedro Infante. From what I understand, he was somewhat of a Mexican Sinatra, and I believe one of his most famous songs is called Mexico City, Mexico City. So the ingredients are tequila, fresh lime juice, Orgeat, orange blossom water that I'm actually keeping right here in a little dropper because we're just going to use a couple of drops of it. And if you don't have this at home, a lot of people don't, or you can't get a hold of it, don't worry about it. Just omit that ingredient and stick to these 3 because those are the 3 main ingredients anyway. And the million-dollar question is, what is Orgeat? The simple answer is it's an almond syrup. It's used in a lot of classic cocktails, and I would say the most famous one would probably be the Mai Tai. You can make this yourself, but it's a little bit tedious, so I went ahead and just bought one. So the recipe is super easy. It's another one of what I call 2 3/4 3/4. So you have 2 ounces of your spirit, 3/4 ounce of your sweetener, and 3/4 ounce of your citrus. We're gonna start with a couple of drops of our orange blossom water, 3/4 ounce of Orgeat, 3/4 ounce of your fresh lime juice, 2 ounces of your tequila. Gonna get some ice for this. Got my ice. Gonna give that a good hard shake. And then just strain it over ice. Gonna garnish that with some fresh nutmeg. There it is, the Infante. What a surprise. I think this is a great little cocktail. It's super easy to make, it's super straightforward, you know, like a nutty little tequila limeade. But that's it, that's all I have for you today. Have a good one, subscribe to my channel, and peace.